Hello guys and welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to show y'all how to solve a super basic Sudoku puzzle. Alright, so first I like to look at the boxes and find which one has the most information already filled in. So this box, there's 3 missing. We're missing a 2, 7, and 8 in this box. So I look at the surroundings, see if I can find any information with 2 or 2, 7, or 8. I see this 2 right here. That means this 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so this one has to be a 2. So these 2 boxes form pairs, 7 and 8. And now focus on the 7 and these 2 cells. And this cell is missing a 7, so we know these 3 can't be a 7 because there's already 7 in this column. So that means with the rules of pairs, if there's pairs like in the same row, that means this box cannot be a 7, or else it can't be a true Sudoku puzzle. So this would be a 7. And now I want to jump over to this box since it has 3 missing. I look at so there's 4, 7, and 9 missing. Alright, so notice there's 7s right here. That means these 2 boxes can't be a 7, so this has to be a 7. And now this has these form pairs again of 4 and 9. So with 9 in relation to this box, these 2 cells cannot contain a 9, so these 2 have to. One of these have to contain a 9. So that means this cell and this cell can't be a 9, and these 2 can't be a 9, so the only possibility is 9. And now focus on this row right here. This is missing a 2 and an 8. The cell cannot contain an 8 because there's an 8 already in this row. So this has to be 2, 8. So 3 and 6 are missing now in this box. And there's already a 3 in this column. So this has to be a 6, 3. And now since there's now 2 missing in this row now, we're missing a 1 and a 7. So since there's already a 7 in this box, this has to be a 1. And that means this has to be a 7. And now we got 2 missing right here. There has to be 2 or 3 in this cell. Since there's already a 3 right here, that means this has to be a 2, 3. There's 1 cell and the only possibility is a 6, so this has to be a 6. Same with this row. Now there's only 1 missing. Now this has to be a 1. Now we can focus on this middle box. So the numbers that are missing here is 5 and 4. There's a 5 right here. That means the only possibility is a 4. Now we got a 5. Alright, now look at this bottom row. The cell 6 is one the numbers are missing in this row. This cell cannot contain a 6 because there's already 6 in this box. And this cell cannot contain a 6 because there's already a 6. And now the only possibility is a 6 right here. And now we're missing 3 and 4. So there's a 3 right here. It means the only probability is 4, 3. And now we can solve this box. So 1 is one the numbers are missing. These two can't be a 1 because there's a 1 right here. And now 4 and 5 are missing. Means this is a 4 and a 5. And now back to this box. Since 4 and 9 were pairs and we solved this as a 4 right here, that means this has to be a 9 and a 4. And now we can look at this row. Since 2 and 6 are missing and there's a 6 right here, that means this cell can only contain a 2. And now we can complete this box since 8 and 9 are now missing. There's an 8 right here, so 9, 8. Now in the top row, it's gonna form pair of 1 and 6. But there's already a 1 right here. So that means this has to be a 1 and this has to be a 6. And now we can look at the 2's. Focus on these 2's right here. Eliminate these 2 cells and that cell. So this has to be a 2. And now with 9, we got a 9 right here. 9 right here eliminates this cell and that cell. Now we got 3 and 7 still blank in this cell. So now, since 3's in this column already, we got 7, 3. Now we can go back to where we originally started, where we formed pairs of 7 and 8. We could say this is 8 and this is 7. Now we're down to our final box. Now we can look at the 2's that we have. 2 right here, and right here. Eliminates these 2 cells and this one. So this has to be a 2. And now with 3, we can solve it by looking at this row right here. Since 3 is the only one missing, this has to be a 3. And now we're on our final two cells. And there you go, guys. That's how you solve a really basic Sudoku puzzle. Hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for next time.